All right, cool. Excellent. I'm Michael Boudrio, Service Director here at Flatirons Subaru. And I'm so excited today because we are going to give away free service maintenance to our 1 millionth service customer. I have been here for 22 years, and when I started, we were at about 200,000 repair orders. We put 800,000 repair orders on in the last 22 years. This millionth customer that comes in today, we're going to get the whole team together. It's going to be super special. That person's going to get free maintenance service for life. I personally have been tracking how many repair orders so that we can get to this day. So it's a nervous day for me. We're really happy to work for such a fine company and for the Crouch family. I was made an owner here about 12 years ago, and I'm just so stoked to be here and to be the one that gets to give away this free service to the millionth customer. So let's do it. Hi, how are you? Are you coming in for service?
Yes, I am.
What's your name?
My name is Courtney.
Well, my name's Mike Boudrio, and I'm one of the owners here at Flatirons. And I have been here since 2002, so I've been here for a long time, right? Oh, really? Oh my God, that's funny. Yeah, so when you were born, 2002, I started here, and we've been writing what we call repair orders. Every time someone comes in for service, we write a repair order. When I started here, we were at about 200,000 repair orders, and since then, we've done another 800,000 repair orders. You are the millionth service customer.
Oh, wow. That's crazy. Congratulations to you.
Yeah, well, congratulations to you, because we're going to give you free maintenance for life.
You're lying.
No.
What? Are you telling the truth?
I'm telling the truth, yes.
Wait, what?
Yeah, it's amazing, Courtney.
Wait, this is crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, you're it, and it's amazing.
Wow,
yeah.
well, congratulations to you.
Oh, thank you.
So
No,
much.
that's very nice of you.